Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm playing cats. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you guys get notified every time I post a brand video. Let's do... actually, let's do this one. I'm ready. I gotta dance. Ready to go. We call this the spongy dance. No, I don't like elimination. I'm bad. I am so bad at elimination.
Alright, you fruit pies. I'm gonna go hang out and I'll be back.
Got this. It's my one. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm trying not to get killed, and I am shooting people and killing people because I do not want to die. I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. I died. So I'll just do this dumb. Okay, let's do this. Are you serious? Why do you have to deny the shade? If I don't have anything good, that's how you know I don't have that much, and I need some new things.
boys!
Congratulations, Sean. Well, of course you're gonna win. I mean, look at what you got. Okay. Ready? We're gonna stand up here and we're gonna do it. Ready? I don't know what I'm standing on. I'm standing on, let's see, like my gun and stuff. I did not even know you were there. My target joined the server. Okay, so we're outside. My target keeps on killing me. She has the revolver. And shoot, I died. Okay. And it was the person who just joins everything. My target just killed me. She has the revolver. How did I not see you? That's what goes to my mind. Ah! Guy going down. I will kill you, and I do it today. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Eek! She keeps on killing me. She's good at the game. And revolver is good. So I give her some radiote for buying it. I actually think it's lovely. No! Superhero Lover 27 just killed me. Thank you for killing me. I need to kill her, and I need to find a way to do it. Because she's my target. I'm sorry, but today isn't your day. I will kill you. You just killed me. Okay. Wait. Oh no, that's not her. Oh, you. If she just lost her shriek. Oh, she keeps on killing me. So just kill her. Please. She's good at the game.
No, she's not. Oh, she is. 41.
41?
She's an 8.
I'm climbing. She keeps on killing me. Do you want your 10 kill back? Well, of course you would, but you know. I've been playing this game for so long, and I still never got a 10 kill streak. Like in a row. It's sad, but you know. When I get better, I will.
She killed me again.
I will do my hardest. She's just pretty good at like killing people and stuff.
I just got a 9.
You by him?
Yep, by him.
Yeah, he just killed me. He has the energy knife and an explosive. So he's. I mean, he's okay at the game. He's just not like the pros. And you stop killing me. I do not like people always killing me, and especially when it's the exact same person. She keeps on killing me. How are you killing me when I'm climbing a ladder? Does that make any sense? I keep on moving like look how good.
I just got exploded.
I'm good at the game. Can run quick.
I want to do.
Okay. I have to kill one person because they're like my target. Oh, there's a lot of people in this one room and I can't do it.
I got exploded by freaking explosive knife.
Yeah. I'm in the room. I'm in the room.
And then my target just killed me again.
Okay. How are you killing me? Somebody just reached a 10.
I just got killed by my target last killed me again. She's on her.
There we go. Oh, she has a 15 kill streak. Cool. Double kill, baby. Quad kill.
She killed me again. She's got to be hacking.
5 kill streak halfway there. Sean, don't you dare kill me.
He's targeting everyone. Gotta be a loser and stand up there. I'm trying to kill her.
I was on a 5 kill. She's on a 20. I was on a 5 kill
She
streak
killed me again
and
through
I
the
died.
wall. She's definitely hacking. Because you can't rob them in the game.
Okay. Round will end in 30 seconds. That means she'll lose her shriek. People keep on calling bye. Of course, that's like the point of the game. Like, stop just killing me. Kill other people, please.
I just got killed again. Oh, it's fine.
Okay, round's over. Which one? I'm either gonna do this one or this one. Which one? This one. I'll go with you. I actually don't have a favorite one, but I don't want to do the one.
That's the stupid thing. Your streak, your kill streak used to count transfer over to the next round, but it doesn't do it.
Okay, so classic. Elimination. Wow.
Not elimination.
Oh, elimination. That's what I said. Okay, round begins soon. And I literally cannot die, bro.
Really?
I had to kill you.
You just camped there.
You're
not supposed to just. You're supposed to move around, not just camp.
Let's do this.
You have to move around. You're not gonna be able to get your when you're gonna get. That's gonna be doing elimination. Move around. Don't just sit there. You should probably get better at using a knife.
Of course you are. Now you're just gonna sink and kill me. Oh, I better collect my daily thing in here. Okay. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.